call for warm, comforting halwas, and today we're making three delicious winter favorites: Beetroot Halwa, Pumpkin Halwa, and Moong Dal Halwa. Let's get started. We'll first start with Beetroot Halwa, and for this, in a hot pan, add a little ghee and saute your grated beetroot. Now keep stirring, and once it softens and reduces, pour in just 1 cup of milk for 4 cups of beetroot. Now mix well and then add sugar and let it melt completely. Now lower the flame, cover and let it cook into a rich halwa texture. When it all comes together beautifully, turn off the heat. Now garnish with almonds or your favorite nuts, and your vibrant, nutrient-packed beetroot halwa is ready to serve. Now next is a light and fragrant pumpkin halwa. For this, heat 1 tablespoon ghee in a kadhai, add grated pumpkin and mix well. Now add sugar and keep stirring till it melts and blends into the pumpkin. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes till everything turns soft and glossy. Now top it up with almonds or pistachios and enjoy this quick, comforting winter treat. And for the classic Moong Dal Halwa, start by washing the dal and soaking it for at least 5 hours. Now drain the water completely and grind the dal into a smooth paste little by little if needed. Now in a pan, heat desi ghee slightly less than the amount of dal. To prevent the halwa from drying out later, lightly roast some besan and suji in the ghee first. Then add the moong dal paste and roast on medium heat, continuously stirring for around 30 minutes. Patience is the secret here. Now once the mixture turns aromatic, add chopped nuts and dry roast for another few minutes. When it becomes dark brown and starts releasing ghee, add sugar, mix well, then pour in milk. Now cook until the ghee floats on top, finish with cardamom powder and take it off the heat. Now top with pistachios and the rich, festive Moong Dal Halwa is ready. 3 beautiful winter halwas, all with simple ingredients, wholesome flavors and the warmth we crave this season. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.